He's a vagabond, he won't love you better.
Oh no! Did she just say Vampire Hunter?
JS, are you trying to tell me that V Hunter doesn't stand for Vanessa Hunter and she's an actual vampire hunter?
Yep. You've got to fix this. You could have just put Damon and Nigel in danger. Well, maybe when she hunts vampires, she just does it to rehabilitate them and doesn't actually harm them.
Hey, do any of you have something I can use to sharpen my sword?
Maybe not.
JS, find some way to get her out of town. I have to go and check on Sommer and Cali.
Who knows what Alex has done to them by now? All right, V for Vampire Hunter. Why don't we take a walk outside and see what we can find? Here are your uniforms.
Princess dresses? Really, Alex?
Alex? Oh no, you don't get to call me that. From now on, you'll refer to me as Your Highness. Now take your uniforms.
Your Highness, more like evil queen.
I heard that!
I don't know, Summer. Is this even worth it?
Yes, Kelly, I really want that room.
You do realize we're at the mercy of Alex, right?
It's just one day. What's the worst that she could do?
Have you met Alex?
Sommer Cali, come here now.
This is going to get old real fast.
Yes, Alex? I mean, Your Highness.
I want you to wash all of my clothes with the Magnolia and Lily detergent. If you use lavender, I will completely barf.
No lavender. Got it, Alex. I mean, Your Highness.
After washing, dry on delicate, then iron and fold them into 6 by 6 inch squares.
Why are you two still standing here? Well, go already. You see, Kelly, this isn't so bad. All we gotta do is a little bit of laundry.
What was that you were saying?
Okay, so this is a lot. But the faster we get started, the faster we get done. Isn't that what you're always saying? Ah! Okay, so this might be a little bit more difficult than I thought. Now take me to your vampires so I can eliminate them.
What? Eliminate? No, that's quite all right. We don't need any eliminating around here. Besides, I don't think I really know any vampires. This could all just be a big misunderstanding. You can go now.
I am not leaving until I am sure this town is free of vampires.
Oh, come on. How bad can they really be? We can all just wear some garlic necklaces and be fine.
That's your defense, garlic. Forget everything you think you know about vampires. They can walk in the sun. Some have a sensitivity to light, but it's not enough to keep them away. They're stronger, faster. Some of them have special abilities. And a wooden stake? Ha! Might as well be a back scratcher. The only way to stop a vampire is with magic.
Magic is real.
Yes, and we will use it to eliminate the vampires.
Can I have a rainbow unicorn?
No.
Okay then, just sparkly fairy wings.
No.
Okay then, how about something easy like world domination?
Are you going to be a problem?
You got me sleep deprived. Blow my mind with a warning.
Done. We just finished the last load.
Good, because I never want to see laundry again in my life.
Oh my goodness! What are the two of you wearing?
Alex thought we needed uniforms. Oh boy, she is really letting her power go to her head.
Well, having to wear princess dresses isn't the worst thing in the world.
But I'm gonna go have a little chat with her to make sure this is as far as it goes. Thanks, Caroline.
little Nigel Boo Bear.
I stopped by to see if you would like to go to the movies.
Aw, you don't really want to go to a boring old movie, do you? When we can go to a jewelry store. Alex, I think you've put Sommer and Cali through enough. Is this rush business over? Excuse me, Caroline, but my Nigel Bear and I were having a very serious conversation.
Sommer is here?
Yes, she and Cali are moving into the house, and Alex here is making them go through a day of rush. Don't worry, my little Nigel Boo Bear. It's just fun and games. Look, I'll show you. Alex is gonna come in here any minute, see that all of the work is done, and then we get our room.
Okay, so you were right. This wasn't so bad.
Hello? Why are you two just standing around? Nigel, Alex, I mean, Your Highness. We finished everything. See? There are some of your clothes. Washed, pressed, and perfectly folded. Perfect, huh? I'll be the judge of that. This does not look like 6 by 6 inch squares. In fact, it looks like a mess. I can't believe you just dumped everything on the floor. Now do it all over. Again.
Sommer, this is so not worth it.
Alex, how could you do that?
Oh, Nigel, it's all a part of Rush. You understand.
I understand that you are not who I thought you were. Maybe everyone was right about you.
Nigel? Wait! Are you still gonna buy me those earrings? Do we still have to fold all of this?
I'm gonna say no.
We've been here all day, and you haven't found a single vampire. I think it's safe to say that our town is vampire-free, so there's no need for you to eliminate anyone. There's a bus leaving town at 4.
Perhaps you're right. If there were any vampires here, I would have seen them by now. Besides, there's a town in Virginia that is infested with them. Magic Falls, I think it was?
Good to know. Let's get you a one-way ticket to Magic Falls.
Hey Jazz, what's up?
Damon?
Yeah? Who's your friend?
Oh, what, her? Oh, she's nobody. She was just leaving.
Change of plans. It would appear that I have some unfinished business here, after all.
Unfinished business? Uh-oh.
V Hunter is the name. Okay, nice to meet you. Ow! You shocked me. Just what I thought. Okay, that was weird. I'll see y'all around.
You know, if you hurry, you can still catch that bus.
I won't be going anywhere because that was definitely a vampire.
So you're not getting on the bus?
No. If there's one vampire, there might be more. Come on. We're hunting vampires.
Aw, man. Nigel, can't we talk about this?
I just need some time to think. I will call you later.
If you walk out that door right now, we are through.
Really? That's it. There is too much drama for me.
Wait, where are you going?
I cannot believe Damon was right.
Nigel, no! This is all Sommer's fault. All right, home sweet home. Someone point me to my room because we live in the sorority house now. Oh, congratulations, you two. This is gonna be so much fun. Every day is like a slumber party. I know. Things are finally looking up. Are you all, serious? Because I don't remember saying you were done. Oh, come on, Alex. I think we've all had quite enough of this. Why are you always taking her side? She's the reason that Nigel just broke up with me.
What?
Don't pretend to be all innocent. I hope you're happy. Enjoy it while you can.
Was that a threat? That girl is low-key creepy. But who has time to worry about Alex? I just got the best news ever!
Best news? Did you not just hear Alex's Joker laugh? Right after alluding to your impending doom?
Yeah. Doom and stuff. Nigel and Alex are no longer together. I gotta find Nigel. Maybe there's still a chance for us. To be continued on the next Sommer Cali.